Ooh, I can't wait to try you on. Hello, my cute little internet friends, and welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm very excited for today. I am on a thrifting kick. It's like all I think about recently. It's all I watch on YouTube. I love watching people going thrift shopping. I love people going through their closet and picking out old outfits from old clothes that they have. The whole thing. I'm just so obsessed with it. Maybe it's because I'm stuck at home and I am bored of the sweatpants I have been wearing, but I don't want to spend a lot of money on new clothes. So I've really gotten into this whole thrifting trend. It's better for the world, it's better for my pocketbook, and it's just fun. I feel like there's so much thrill in the hunt for good things, and this particular hunt brought me so much joy. If you are here, I'm assuming you're into all things thrifting, but make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I know that we should be doing more of these on my channel. So today, I am going to introduce you to my #1 thrift hack that I just discovered, and that is picking through a family member's house who never throws out anything. Hoarding, not exactly, but just not getting rid of stuff. That is where the thrifting gold lies, and that is what today's video is. I went to the house that I grew up in, which is now only inhabited by my father, but all of our stuff pretty much still remains. So the stuff that I found has probably been in the closet since before I was even born. That is not a lie. But yes, that is the thrifting hack that we're getting into today. If you have a family member or a friend's family member, or if you yourself have a closet full of stuff that you have not gotten rid of or picked through since like the 80s, then you might actually have some golden thrift finds that are so on trend right now. And not only did I go through my dad's closet, but I actually found some stuff from my childhood bedroom that still exists and that are actually legit on trend now, and I can't believe that I saved them. Before I start trying on all this stuff, let me take you to the house so you can see how the hunt began. I would say my dad would kill me, but he stopped watching my videos years ago, so he'll never know. Legit love a tie-dye moment. Ooh, DKNY tie-dye moment. I could crop this. Yes! It's very dusty, very dusty. Christian Dior? Are you kidding me? My dad is hiding fancy sweats from the 80s from me? This is a moment, we love it. What do we think? They're so cute. I almost want like Jeff to wear them, but I think that's like maybe weird if my fiance is wearing my dad's old clothes. Like, is this cute? Is this cute? This is gold. This is gold. Why so many hangers? Just throw them out. I think we can throw this out now. Throw this out now. Throw this out now. I gotta say, I think my dad is a fashion icon. Check out this full outfit provided by my dad in the 80s. Okay, now. Not mad about it, legit. These pants like don't really fit me. I feel like I wish that they did. I feel like my butt looks good enough. They're just not exactly the right fit. They're a little bit big, but like also not that big, which is making me have a feeling. But the shirt is legit cute and also on trend, and I feel like I could crop it. I could either tie it, crop it, or just leave it as is. It like fits me really good. What the heck? You know, I've said this before in some of my other videos, and I do want to stand by it. I like trying different trends that are on trend, but also I think you should just wear clothes that make you feel happy and make you feel good. And like, I'm not really into the style of jeans that are in style right now, and I think these could fit into that category. I just personally like miss my skinny jeans. But I feel like for a first pick through of a closet, not bad. I'm definitely gonna wear this t-shirt. I really do wish this was a hyper color shirt though. Anyone? Hyper color? Anyone? That's a reference literally as old as these pants smell. I'm gonna take these off now. Go with me on this one. I don't think this is a trend, but I just kind of started wearing big tank tops that show my cute little bras underneath, and I love it. And I also just feel like a muscle tank from the 80s is everything. Is that something anyone else is doing? Let me know. But like, hello, this is the most throwback of all 80s tank tops. If you know, you know. Damn, I could wear it as like a dress. Is that weird? I just think it's cute, and I got this one as well, and I'm definitely gonna wear these, like without question. I'm gonna wash them again because they smell, but hello, this is so cute. These are like legit old school tank tops. Yes! I also feel like if you bought these on Depop or something, they would charge you so much money. But I got this for the discounted price of $0. Just a few sneezes for having to go through all the dust. I'd say that was worth it. I also feel like I'm upping my like workout clothes. Like I can literally just wear these with little shorts. What a cute little outfit. Guys, I'm really killing it when I'm walking the dog. I mean, really fashionista. All about that Stussy life. Thanks, Dad. I don't think I've ever had this much success in a haul before. I'll leave a link to all my hauls below, to a playlist of my hauls. I think that I am killing it, and I literally didn't spend a penny. This is so awesome. Okay, is this not the cutest sweatshirt ever? I do know that people are thrifting old grandpa sweatshirts, old 80s sweatshirts, big oversized stuff. How cute would this be with a collar? Get out of here. She is a fashion, almost died, icon. I love this. This is such an old brand. I don't know if people have brought this back, if this particular brand is like back in the thrifting cycle, but this is so cute. Listen, maybe not all of you have a small, petite father like me who happens to have decent taste, specifically when he was in the 80s. So I realized that not everyone's gonna have a fit like this if they go through their dad's closet or their mom's closet, or their brother's closet, but this just happens to work out really well, and I am not mad about it. Yeah. Is that good? I drink so much coffee. I like literally very much love this. It smells. I gotta wash it again. Damn, how does like stink stay that long? I literally washed this stuff. Speaking of comfortable, here is another one. Let me try this on. I feel like it's not as cute as this, but hold on. Holy Nike, I forgot that this was a Dior sweatshirt. That is shocking on so many levels. Like, why does my dad have a Dior sweatshirt? And why was he better dressed than literally all of us in our family? Like, I don't own any Dior. Like, this is the nicest thing I think I own, which is bonkers. But here we are. Cute! Wouldn't this be so freaking cute with like white sneaks? Oh my God! I feel like I look like a college student, but like a fancy college student, and I'm so really not mad about it. Yes, 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 yes. Let's move on to some stuff that I found in my childhood closet and see if they still, one, fit, and two, work in terms of style and fashion. Because clearly I'm all about style and fashion. Okay, I'm having like the craziest flashbacks. I am turning 38 this year, and I must have had this shirt from high school. So it has been a long time. And I remember thinking that this was the coolest, like most sort of like risque, sexy, like mature top. And I gotta say, I feel like I really look better in my dad's clothes than my old clothes. I mean, it's actually like kind of cute. I know I've seen a lot of people bring this kind of style back. They usually like wear a t-shirt underneath or a jacket over, which I guess I could style this. Like, okay, obviously this definitely does not work, but I feel like it's not the worst. It's kind of cute. It's a little too long, so tucking it in definitely helps. Here, hold on. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I might keep this in my rotation. Sometimes if I just need a cute tank top to wear underneath something. For some reason, I'm like cool wearing my dad's old clothes, but I feel so weird wearing stuff that I literally wore 10 plus years ago. No, more than that. Oh God, I'm getting old. 20 years ago? Thank God I can't do math. Otherwise I'd have a real breakdown. It's kind of cute. All right, I found this in my closet and it still had the tags on from Nordstrom's. It is too small on me, which is unfortunate because I just think it's so cute. This little sweater vest situation, so cute. It also came with like a long sleeve sweater that went over and tied like that, but it was like way too tight. I really think this came from like the preteen section and I just never wore it. I clearly am not wearing the right bra underneath it. I mean, I almost fit in it, but I feel like my boobies are a little too big for it, but boy, it's so cute. And again, it's so weird that trends come back around. Like this is like right on par with things that I'm seeing on like Brandy Melville, and it's just kind of crazy. She's cute. I really wish that she fits. I gotta give this to someone who's a little bit smaller than me because I do think it is so cute. And my mom bought this for me so long ago and I never wore it, and I'm feeling guilty about it now. Sorry, Mom. But I'm wearing Dad's clothes now, so, you know, it all works out in the end. Okay, one more thing. Yes. Okay, so like I said, I was helping clean out closets just because my dad doesn't have the time to ever do it, and I feel kind of bad that he's living in this house full of all of our old shit. So I've been slowly working through different closets and different drawers and like getting rid of stuff that we don't need, blah, blah, blah. And I found in the front closet like all these Lacoste, is that how you say it? Shirts that like he never wore, and I think I figured out that they were all gifts that were given to him that he just like shoved in a closet because like that's such a dude thing to do. And so I pulled them all out. I was like, Dad, what are you doing? These are like nice shirts, you should be wearing them. And of course he just shoved them in another closet. So I took this one, which is a little bit absurd. Like this is a little over the top, but I actually kind of like love the fit of it. So this has led me to believe that I'm ready to conquer the dark academia whole style look genre. I am like vibing with that, and I feel like this just totally kicked it off. I mean, come on, oh my god, I like really like it. I think I can go down that route. Anyways, this was super fun. What I learned is I've gotten to the age where I am now looking better in my dad's clothes when he was my age. Oh my god, was my dad my age when he wore some of these outfits? Oh wow, that is a trip. Good thing I have therapy coming up in a few minutes. So I gotta go. I love you guys so much. This was so much fun. And I feel like I scored pretty good. There's a few things in here that I will actually continue to wear, so yay! Thrifting hack complete. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Just so you know, I have been uploading videos every Friday. They usually go up at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So set your bells, your notification bells, so you don't miss any of these videos. And let's do this again soon. Bye. Oh my. Wait, I'm like not mad about these on you. I don't know who the hell outside of coal miners and railroad workers uses button flies. These are ridiculous. Dude, button flies are in style. Oh, no, I don't know, man. Let me see that tush. I feel like I'm like Stanley Tucci in that weird 80's commercial. Or like Jenny Garth would wear these. Also, look at that flare. Yeah. Look at that flare. Let me see that tush. Cute. This is like some weird like 80's stuff that you do this to. Dude, 80's are back. Are they? Yeah. Also, those are my dad's pants. These are your dad's jeans? Yeah. Pass, Glenn. That's a pass. Cece is unimpressed.